In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exit Google Classroom. Whether you're switching classes or simply want to declutter your account, unenrolling from a Google Classroom course is a simple task. So let's jump right into it and walk through the process together. First, we'll start by heading over to the Google Classroom homepage. If you're not already there, open up your web browser and go to the Google Classroom URL. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. This is where you see all the classes you're currently enrolled in represented as cards. Now, identify the specific class that you want to leave. Each class has a more options icon, which looks like 3 vertical dots. It's typically located on the upper right side of the class card. Click on this icon. This will open a small drop-down menu with several options. In this drop-down menu, you're looking for the option that says Unenroll. Go ahead and click on that. Remember, unenrolling from a class will remove you from the class and you won't receive any more updates or assignments from it. So be absolutely certain that you want to leave this class before proceeding because this action can't be undone easily. After selecting Unenroll, a confirmation dialog box will appear. This dialog box is just a double check to make sure you're certain about your decision. You will see a prompt that asks you again if you're sure you want to unenroll from the class. If you're sure, click on Unenroll again. Congratulations. You've successfully exited a Google Classroom class. From now on, you won't see that class on your main page. This can help keep your Google Classroom dashboard organized and more focused on your current educational priorities. If you ever change your mind or need to rejoin the class, you'll have to ask your teacher for a new invitation or class code. So it's always a good idea to be completely sure before you decide to leave. And that's it. Exiting a Google Classroom is as straightforward as that. Should you need to unenroll from multiple classes, simply repeat these steps for each one. Hopefully, this tutorial has made the process clear and simple for you. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and guides. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video.